Hi, and welcome to question number 36 of stoichiometry calculations. Okay, this is a question asking us to find the mass of chloride ion present in 0.3 grams of sodium chloride solution. Okay, so if you want to solve this, what you would need to do is to write out the equation of reaction. So your NaCl would dissociate into Na plus and Cl minus in aqueous solution, okay? And the mass of this is 0.3 grams. The molar mass of NaCl is 23 plus 35.5, which gives you 58.5 grams per mole. So that means that the moles of the same NaCl is mass divided by molar mass. So that's like saying 0.3, which is the mass, divided by the molar mass we just calculated, 58.5, and that gives you 0.005128 moles. That's the moles of NaCl. You see, guys, what I've done so far is just to do mass divided by molar mass, because that's how you calculate moles of NaCl. Okay, what's the mass? 0.3. What's the molar mass? 58.5. That's all. Okay, so that's all I've done so far. But we're asked to get the mass of the chloride ion, and this here is the chloride ion, Cl minus. What mass of the chloride ion is there? You've gotten the mass of sodium chloride there, right? And you've gotten like the moles of sodium chloride there. But 1 mole of sodium chloride produces 1 mole of chloride ion itself. So that also means that the number of moles of chloride ion that would come from 0.005128 moles of sodium chloride will be 0.005128 moles as well, because it's a 1:1 relationship. Does this make sense? So that means that the moles of Cl minus is equal to 0.005128 moles. See, this stuff could be pretty easy for some people, and for some people it could be difficult. So if you need help or you need a tutor, log on to www.copychemistry and you can book a session straight from there. Okay, so here we have the moles of Cl minus, and what do we do next? We're trying to get the mass. So to finish this up, mass will be equal to moles times molar mass. What is the molar mass of Cl minus? It's just only Cl that's here, so it's still 35.5. So that means that the mass of the Cl minus formed will be 0.005128 multiplied by the molar mass, which is 35.5. If you do that multiplication very well, you should have about 0.18205 grams. So if this video was helpful for you, just comment helpful, and I would know that it was helpful for you. Okay, so I'll see you on question number 37. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And if you are viewing this on other social media platforms, you can hit the follow button right now so that you will get notified when we upload question number 37, which is going to be pretty interesting as well. So I'll see you on that one. Let me quickly go and upload the video number 37.
Go to our website, then you click on book a session, you fill in your form, it's just 3 questions there, and then you click submit when you're done. And then it takes you to this page. You click on the calendar link there to book your session. You choose the time you want, and you will fill in the necessary details and schedule your event. And that's it.